So now let me go forward to our last presentation of the day. So which is what I called from employee thinking to business owner thinking. I know some of us here, maybe most of us are still working full time at our regular job. So meaning to say we are still an employee. But I believe you're not alone, right? A lot of people are still employee, but you are not, how do you say, it's never too late to think about being a business owner. We all know employee thinking is how most of us are trained from school and society. Yeah, from school they don't teach us how to do business. They just teach us to study hard, get a good job, be an employee for the rest of your life until your pension comes, right? As employees, we exchange time for money, definitely. If we work more hours, we earn more. But if we stop working, yes, definitely our income will stop as well. Income is usually fixed regardless of effort, creativity, or performance. Decisions are made by someone else, by our bosses, by our superiors, and growth depends on promotions, company policies, or management approval. This mindset provides stability, but it also limits freedom, income potential, and control over our future. There is nothing wrong with being an employee, don't get me wrong, but it is very important to understand the limitations of this way of thinking. So let me tell you an example. 5 years ago, I was working at an IT company where my time was very limited. Even when I get home, I am still I would still open my computer and check on my emails and check on to the deadlines because I wanted to deliver. Because I know being an employee back then, when I deliver my best, I could also have a salary increase based on my performance. But then again, my time is very limited. I couldn't go out. I couldn't go out as much as I want. I couldn't see my friends as much as I want, so on and so forth. That's why that's also one of the reason why I had to change my mindset from being an employee to being a business owner. Now, moving from employee thinking to business owner thinking starts with a mindset shift, not money or skills. This transition happens when someone begins to ask different questions, such as, how can I create value? How can my effort today pay me again in the future? Instead of only focusing on job security, business owners focus on skill development, systems, and leverage. This stage often feels uncomfortable because it requires learning, taking responsibility, what we also call taking ownership of what we do, and thinking long term rather than short term. But this is where real growth begins. When a person stops only working inside a system and starts learning how to own or build one, right? So we have to really think about changing our mindset. Do not limit our mindset to just being an employee for the rest of our lives. Because, as a proof, when I was an employee, I was limited to my capabilities. I couldn't explore all my talents. You know what I realized in becoming a business owner, having to do what your passion is, you're just playing every day, actually, because you are doing what you love. It doesn't feel like a job. It's your passion that you share to each and every individual that you meet on a daily basis. So this feeling is incredible, and I hope for every one of us we will find this passion and put it into practice, because I bet you will really not regret shifting your mindset from being an employee to being a business owner. Now, business owner thinking is about building leverage through systems. And this is exactly where Atomy becomes so powerful. Unlike traditional businesses that require high capital, inventory, or employees, Atomy allows you to start a business owner to be a business owner with very low risk. Atomy provides the products. That's what you can see or already saw on our Atomy Global Shopping Mall. They already provide global logistics, payment systems. We have a lot of payment systems or payment modes and the infrastructure. This means you are not starting from zero. You are plugging into a proven system. I myself, I have proven that, and maybe most of us here on Zoom already has proven that the system of Atomy works. With Atomy, income is not limited by how many hours you personally work. You build a customer base and a team, and the system allows for duplication and long-term growth. Another key benefit of starting Atomy today is the timing. Atomy continues to expand globally, and early positioning in growing markets creates long-term advantage. Business owner thinking means focusing on where the world is going, not just where you are today. Imagine being an Atomy distributor, being an Atomy business partner or business owner doesn't limit your business or your growth into your own country. In fact, you have the whole world as your consumers and as your potential distributors. So if you are still on the verge of thinking, should I do Atomy? Should I not do Atomy? I really bet you do not think twice and just do it because, the more you wait in postponing your Atomy business from starting today, the more chances you lose on a daily basis, right? Because Atomy is expanding globally. In the next 5 years, you will see a lot of countries opening with our Atomy absolute quality and absolute price products. Now, Atomy's model supports repeat consumption, global sourcing, and fair pricing, which makes it sustainable even in uncertain economic times. In short, Atomy allows ordinary people to think and act like business owners without the traditional barriers of cost, complexity, or risk. I just want to remind everyone on Zoom and also on Facebook that Atomy is not just a business opportunity. It is a platform that turns business owner thinking into practical action starting today. Again, if you're still thinking about joining Atomy, trying our products, or even becoming a distributor or a business owner, this is the perfect chance for you, a perfect opportunity to develop your skills, to share your vision to your team, and to expand your business not only in your country, but globally around the world. So, this is your chance. This is my chance. This is our chance to spread our wings and be successful in Atomy. So,